Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Imagine what can be and be unburdened by what has been. You know?
I couldn't reconcile it. Now I can.
You need to get to go and need to be able to get where you need to go to do the work.
Fellas, you think we could listen to the radio or something?
Radio? Who needs a radio? Ready, Harry?
You landed haymakers on Joe Biden. How do you go from being such a passionate opponent?
It was a debate.
You're considered the most liberal United States senator.
Somebody said that in it actually was Mike Pence on the debate stage.
Well,